Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the device into recovery mode and connecting it directly to a Mac or PC. This is the moment to begin. Once done, open Finder on Mac OS Catalina Plus or iTunes on older Mac OS/Windows and confirm the device appears. Make sure your computer is online so the software image can download. You'll also want a charged battery or plug the phone into power. From here, you'll see the restore or update options. Pick the action you need and proceed. You now decide between update to keep data or restore to start fresh. Update tries to reinstall iOS without erasing, while restore wipes and reinstalls. Once chosen, let Finder or iTunes download and verify the software image. This can take time, so be patient. Keep the device connected and do not interrupt the cable. Interruptions can brick the phone. If the process stalls or fails verification, put the device into DFU mode and repeat the reinstall to force a deeper restore. You finish by completing the on-device setup and restoring your backup. Make sure you sign in with the same Apple ID to recover purchases and settings. Once restored, verify critical apps, Wi-Fi, and cellular functions. Make sure passwords and two-factor authentication work. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fix first. Swap the cable and USB port, then try a different computer. If restore repeatedly fails, DFU mode or Apple Support Diagnostics are the next reliable steps to resolve persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.